YALONG YL-1359A Multi-Robot Intelligent Manufacturing Pen Production Offline Training System. Loading and unloading workstations, welding workstations, carving stations, handling station, pelletizing workstations. Loading and unloading workstation and welding workstation have two modes of real welding and virtual welding. In the video, there is a virtual welding mode of operation. When the work starts, the loading and unloading robots transport the cylinder and the fluor to the loading and unloading station of turntable stage. Turntable stage will rotate the workpiece to the welding station. Then the pneumatic fixture clamps the workpiece. After the workpiece is clamped, we do virtual welding. After the virtual welding is completed, release the clamps. The workpiece will be sent back to the loading and unloading station at the turntable stage. Loading and unloading machine pick up the floor on the turntable stage and move back to the original place. Then grab the cylinder at the turntable stage to the conveyor belt 1 entrance position. Conveyor 1 transfers the workpiece at the entrance to the exit. The robot moves the workpiece, which is from conveyor 1 to the exit, to engrave the station in the engraving machine. After engraving, the robot removes the workpiece from the engraving machine and places it on the entrance of the conveyor belt 2. Conveyor 2 transfers the workpiece at the entrance to the exit. The workflow of pelletizing workstation. The pelletizing robot grasps the workpiece at the exit conveyor 2 into the workpiece box until the workpiece box is filled with 4 workpieces. Then pelletizing robots pick up the workpiece box into the warehouse storage.